Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video of sewing and DIYs. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn men's old shirt into a simple skirt. This was the shirt before, and this how it will be after. Let's start sewing. First that I will do is to unstitch the sleeves and the collar to see how much fabric I can use from the shirt. After unstitching the sleeves and the collar, just keep it aside. And then I took my skirt to trace the size and the length I desire, and I also cut it. After cutting, it will look like this, and the next thing to do is to sew the side edges. After sewing the edges, I went through it again to do the zigzag stitch for the nice finishing. And then after the zigzag, I decided to do top stitch as well, from top to bottom. Now for the waistband, I will use the fabric left from the shoulder. So I will cut this fabric from this side to this side to make a rectangle shape. Because the shoulder part has a lining, I got two rectangle shapes for the waistband. Now I'll stitch together the two rectangle shapes to make one long rectangle fabric. After sewing together the fabrics, I iron the folded parts of it to make it flat and even. Then I will fold it like this. And because I want my waistband to be stiff, I will also put an interfacing in it. Okay, so this is the interfacing I cut. Next is to iron it on the fabric. After ironing the interfacing, I folded the fabric like this and iron it again. So my waistband is ready. I will now sew it to my skirt. I put the outer part of the waistband and the skirt facing together and sew. After that, I fold inside the raw edges and pin. So the raw edges are folded inside already. I will now do the final stitching of the waistband. And this is the final look.